Ready to turn your business dream into a reality and set it up for financial success right from the start. First, you'll need to officially form your LLC. Each state has its own specific requirements, so head to your Secretary of State's website to find the necessary forms and instructions for filing your articles of organization. Fees vary by state, so be sure to check those too. With your LLC established, it's time to leverage Chase Bank's business banking resources. Visit your local Chase branch or navigate to Chase.com to explore their business checking account options. Compare the different account types like Chase Business Complete Banking or Chase Performance Business Checking to find the one that best suits your business needs and transaction volume. Consider factors like monthly fees, transaction limits, and any required minimum balances. During the account setup process, don't hesitate to talk to a Chase business specialist. They can guide you through the application process, explain the different features of each account, and discuss potential financing options, such as business lines of credit or small business loans, that could fuel your company's growth. Setting up your LLC with a solid banking foundation at Chase will streamline your finances and set you up for scalability. Good luck building your empire.